Hi guys, it's Johnny Hunkins with CarCraft Magazine, and I'm here today with Joe McCulloch of Speedway Motors, and we're going to talk about the cockpit of our Gasser. We're gonna build this Gasser and put this thing in today. What have we got for the office in this bad boy?
Right. So this car, when we got it, was basically a shell. You know, it was a painted Nova shell, and there was some interior pieces, but they were just bouncing around in the trunk. So we pulled from our muscle car catalog a lot of restoration parts. You know, the old saying, you have to restore a car before you can cut it up. So this is, you know, restoration type door panels, carpet, you know, armrests, window cranks, stuff that you would have found in the car, you know, when it was new. And then with this being kind of a race car, kind of a period build, we get to mix it up a little bit.
Yeah.
And so that's what the seats here, the throttle pedal, the harnesses.
Wow, the throttle pedal is really cool. Throwback for sure. Speedway Motors, and it looks like it's right out of the catalog from 1973.
Right, and it probably the same mold from 1973, but
it's great. This is one of my favorite things right there. And of course, we also take this very seriously. This environment can get very hairy in just a heartbeat. We've got some good safety harnesses here from Simpson. And this the MP seat right there, very classic design with the low back on the seat.
Right, yeah, these are kind of new to us. You know, from MP, they're sort of known for Volkswagen stuff, but this crosses over, you know, and it fits in a hot rod, it fits in a street rod, it fits in a period drag car.
Yeah, it looks remarkably period correct, and I think it's a great choice for the car. And you're doing a little bit of fabrication yourself back there, I saw.
Yeah, we got rid of the back seat. You know, we couldn't get to it anyway with the cage, so that's all in the dumpster, and we're making some aluminum sheets to kind of separate the trunk where all the fuel system is, separate that from the cockpit.
Yeah, and that's also an NHRA requirement too, to separate the fuel cell and the battery from the compartment, right, in case there is problem or some kind of fumes and stuff coming back there. So we plan on actually taking this to the track, or you guys do, and you'll have the car around and so forth. So you can actually be in front of tech officials. It has to definitely pass because it's going to be going fast.
Yeah, and we have an NHRA inspector that works with us, and so he already looked at the cage and said that he'd certify it. So.
Right on. Well, there you go. Well, since we don't have any of the good old car smell to put back in the car, we better put some of the new car smell back in it. We better get going on it.
I think we better.
Yeah.